Hi, Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm back again with a card that I'm going to use these butterflies with again. I've already cut them out. I've brought you these before. So this is the Butterfly Beauty Thinlits, and you get 20 dies all together. So you get these two big ones that cut out these two here. So you get this one cuts out that, and then you get a slightly more solidy one here that cuts out this one. They're just gorgeous. I love them. And you can layer them up like that, and I've done a card where I have layered them up, but I'm gonna cut these ones up. So I think I did show you in a previous video about how you can snip them, and that is what I'm going to do with these. So I'm going to snip them and layer them, and I want to use this one and this one here. And I'll probably use those for another product. That's quite cute like that actually, isn't it? Oh, now there's a thing. And so I shall snip this one off. Neaten that up a little bit better. And this one off. So that, oh, that could be another card like that. Right, so my idea is that I'm going to have a little butterfly like that and a little butterfly like that. And yeah, that's another card. Right. So where's my card base? Right, so I'm using lovely lipstick. So I've got lovely lipstick, got a little layer to go on the inside. Standard A6 card, half a sheet, cut in half, scored in half. And then I've got my usual matte in Whisper White. And then I've used that lovely Subtles folder on that one to go on top. And I'm going to have these two either side of a sentiment. That was my idea. So I'm going to take my sentiment from The Amazing You, and I couldn't decide whether to do the I'm so happy you're in my life or do a good luck card. Quite a while since we've had a good luck. We had an elephant a few years ago. But I think looking at the size, that one will fit in nicely there. Or if I did the other one, it would have to be that way up. I'm going to cut them both out and then make a decision. So this is a photopolymer stamp set, so I've got my stamp mat and I'm going to mount those up. Got my blocks. And I'm going to use the stitch shapes because I'm not going to mat this, and the stitch shapes work really well and don't need batting. So where's my bit of Whisper White gone that I just had? There we go. So that inked up, lovely big sentiment this is. Oh, it's really nice. I really like the detail actually around that H. Can you see that? It's like it's got a shadow around the H. All the letters, the H, A, P, B, Y. Really like that. And then I'll put the good luck down here. We do have a 4-leaf clover that you can stamp with it, but I'm thinking I'm going to put that on the inside. I'm going to put I believe in you and the 4-leaf clover on the inside. When I've decided that I'm going to do a good luck card. I might not do a good luck card. I'm going to give those a little scrub, and of course these will now forever have a pink tinge because they get stained as soon as you use anything with the reds or purples. That's it, pink forever. I've tried all sorts of different tricks to stop that happening, but they didn't work. So I don't mind having pink stamps. Right, so with my stitched framelets, I'm going to cut might use a circle for a change. Might not quite fit. I might lose the bottom or the over fit. I did try this on the box. Are they shown slightly smaller? Yeah, they're 90% smaller. See, I tried them out on the box and went, oh yeah, that'll work. Look, beautiful. But they're actually slightly bigger. But I think that will just cut it. That one I think we're going to lose. So it's going to be the oval. I think we will just get it in the oval. And I was going to use a square on the good luck. Don't use a square very often. Yep. So I'm going to cut those out and come back to you. So there we go. Cut them out. And this is the moment of truth. Oh yeah. Just fitted. Lost just a little tiny bit there off those two edges, but not that you'd really notice. But I hadn't realised that the pictures on the front were 90% of the actual size. Oh well. So this is when we make a decision about this card. I think I'm going to stick this down. I could have stamped on here and cut it out, but I know I usually get, but occasionally I don't. I tend to have shed loads of Whisper White, so I'm not so bothered when it's a Whisper White layer. It's when it's a coloured layer or a fancy layer that I don't want to be wasting that. Pokies out, pokies in, pokies in. I do think this is my favourite embossing folder. I can't stop using it. Now I've got it. Stick that under there a minute. So now they're in, we won't move about, will they? So that was my thought, that we'd have like flying butterflies at either end of the sentiment. So it was either going to be that way, or I wasn't sure if it would actually fit that way. I think when I thought I'd do a circle, I thought the circle would fit quite nicely this way. I think that fits quite nice. Or does that need to be the smaller one? Oh, but then that would muck up that. I really like that. That fits across the card really nicely, doesn't it? Obviously not that one. It would have to be. See, look at that. How cool's that? I could have good luck just popped underneath there. Oh, see, I could have 2 for 1, couldn't I? Could almost have 2 for 1. What does that one look like? I'm just thinking about it. No, I think I'm going to go with this one and do the other one with the other. Yeah, I'm going to do that one and I'll stick the other one together and just put a picture of it on my blog because you've seen what I'm going to do. I'm going to round that off. So let's give these a bit of flight. Little double on the back there. Just realised a couple of those aren't poked out. They aren't now. There we go. And then right, so I might put some dimensionals on the back of this. I'm giving in and getting a new packet of dimensionals out, even though I know I've got an open packet somewhere. I open them all the time and they just end up, goodness only knows where. Because I take some downstairs, cause I sometimes do a bit of crafting in front of the telly. And then that's it really, I don't see him again. Sometimes when I push down the middle, it gets them up a bit, but it's not really working. trying to do that so it is in the middle. There we go, that is centered nicely. And then I might get some mini dimensional. I know I got a pack of them. No, that's my big ones. Oh, can't find them. I'm going to have to go back to the old ways of when we used to cut these up. So I'm going to stick that where it's a bit thicker there. So I've got it there, there. Let's stick a bit then on there. Already pulled the edge of that one off, hadn't realised. Right, let's stick him on the corner there. So you've got the top still lifting, so it looks like a bit of flight. And then this one, stick on the corner there. I'll stick that one straight to the card. Have that flying there. Fabulous. And then, do I want a sentiment in the middle? So you are amazing. Or I might just leave it blank, actually. I'll just leave that one blank. I might decide when I decide who I'm giving it to and for what reason there might be an appropriate sentiment to go with it. Because you would send it, I'm happier in my life, to lots of people. It could be Valentine's, it could be for a child, it could be for a best friend, it could be for a sister, it could be for a brother, cousin, anyone. So that is that. I like that. I hope you do too. And I will put my good luck one together. I might do another video to put that one together. Okay, see you again soon. All the details will be on my blog. If you liked it, please like it. Give me the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Press the bell, then you'll know when I'm on. Okay, bye.